beautiful. Simply beautiful. Soon Derek will be married, and the kingdom will have a king again.
I doubt it. Derek still refuses to be king unless he finds Odette.
Oh, poppycock, all that will change at tomorrow night's ball.
They're all coming to the ball. Every princess is coming.
Oh, goody. Oh, my. Oh, this is wonderful. You see, Rogers, one of these is bound to change his mind.
Oh, absolutely not.
Do not lose one.
Oh, no. No, no, no.
Where is Derek? Oh, never mind. I know where he is. Working on the mystery of the fat animal.
The great animal, Your Highness.
Oh, big great. It's large and has fur.
Listen, Derek. It's not what it seems.
What did King William mean? It's not what it seems.
Of course, it's not what it seems. Now I'll find you, Odette.
They're coming, Derek. Oh, Derek, where are you going?
To find the great animal.
Oh, wonderful. Just make sure you're here tomorrow night.
Tomorrow night?
The ball.
Mother, I can't. Oh, please, Mother, don't do the lip thing. If I leave now, maybe I can be back in time.
Thank you, darling.
But please, Mother, don't turn it into one of your beauty pageants.
Oh, no. It's just a few friends and their daughters. I want this to be big. Every princess must have her own introduction.
But you said...
Forget what I said. Now, send for the cooks and tell the band to start rehearsing. And I want 4 footmen for every carriage. Maybe 5.